Welcome back, guys, to another vlog. So let's get right into it. Today there should be quite a few different things happening. Hopefully everything works out the way I want it to. Right now I'm heading up to my local muffler shop to have these tips finally welded on, because, well, I don't have no tips on the back of my exhaust right now because I have the GT350 bumper and it doesn't require, but it looks better with quad tips. So I'm about to go do that and bring you guys along. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're at the muffler shop. I came to Kelly's Custom Muffler. I usually come to them whenever I need a muffler delete or get something welded on, something fixed in terms of my exhaust that I can't do myself because I don't have a welding machine. Right now, about to just hang tight and we're gonna wait for them to pull the car up, and we're gonna go from there in aspect of how we're gonna do it. This shop has changed a lot after the many years. Like, I think it's grown smaller. Like, there used to be stuff filled everywhere around here, but it's still a really cool shop for what you need to get done. But no plug or anything like that because I really don't care that much about them. But again, it's pretty decent. Like, they used to have, like, I don't know what that carbon is. Carbon fiber hoods and stuff all around here. Well, they had a whole bunch, but it was like ones that they had issues with that nobody would want it. But again, we're gonna go from here. They're gonna pull the car up, and I'm gonna try and get it to match up where I need it to match up, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. So I came here before, and when I came before, I didn't know if I really wanted to do it. They're trying to charge me, I think, $150 per tip. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. And now I'm definitely going for this. This is mine. These two right here. Yep.
Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow.
Alright guys, so that is step one for the day. Step two, we're gonna go back and see Dave and have him throw this thing on a dyno so we can see actual numbers, number one. And number two, we're gonna get some corn in the mixture. So we're gonna go from there and see exactly how it goes. Just to give you a little overview on what it looks like now with the exhaust tips. I like them. You know, I think I gotta measure something out real quick and go from there, but they look fine to me. Alright guys, so the car is all strapped down. We're about to start in just a second and go from there. See what it can make. First we're gonna test it out on the 93 tune that we have on there, find out what the number is exactly for it. Then we're gonna add some E85 in there, and hopefully we got everything to go. Alright. Alright guys, I don't know if you can really hear me. There's probably a lot of fans blowing in here. Thought I'd stand in here on the side that's safe. And get some pulls while Dave is doing it. So the first one, like we said, is gonna be the 93. And then we're gonna get the actual number from there. After that, we're gonna go and find out what it makes on E85. I'm hoping for like 440, 450-ish. This dyno shows full load. So it's not any spike numbers or anything like that. It is literally what it would be with full weight in the car going down the street. Not talking about if there was no tires with some machines out there. This is a full loaded dyno. We can go from there. Let's see what it makes. 420, 398 foot-pounds of torque, and that's just for the that's for 93. Dave is a fucking genius. We're gonna go from there, let the car cool off a little bit, and then go ahead.
I wanna die too young, yeah, too young, yeah, too young. I don't